Now, there's Cotham, and there's Chris.
I can't.
Stop. Chris, you gotta chew it. Chew it. That's awesome.
This is a cinnamon challenge. I'm giving them $5 to complete it for a minute. So far, it's only been 30 minutes. 30 seconds.
32 seconds.
You're not supposed to eat it, Cotham.
You gotta keep it in your mouth for a minute. Ooh. Don't drink no water.
Chris is doing this like a pro. Look at Cotham. Spit it out if you want.
Do it. Just do it.